Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see by the title and the color, we're gonna be doing this video with a new company. Never worked with them before. They are InColorWig Mall. This is their hair. This is the box. I've never worked with this brand before, and honestly, this hair is to die for. In the box came an edge brush, some earrings, lashes, wig cap, like you get it all and more. This brand definitely sets you up with a serious little starter pack for you to do your hair or your wig, and I'm loving it. This wig is their number 30 ginger wig in 13 by 4, so it's a frontal unit. It is 24-inch jerry curly unit, and this is just how it looks. If you'd like to purchase off rip, which I would definitely recommend, look at the contrast in comparison to my skin. It's giving what it's supposed to give. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box. Thank you so much to InColorWig for sponsoring and partnering up with me. This is amazing. This wig is to die for. I'm definitely gonna try this hair in different styles. Body wave, straight, they have it all. So without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial where I show you how to put this wig on. It's glueless, okay? Glueless, period. Let's go. I'm finally finished. This is the wig from InColorWig. I am loving it, and this wig is gorgeous. I've been in emails communicating with this company for a minute now, and I'm so happy I decided to work with them. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. I did not know this color would look this nice on my skin tone, and I'm so happy. I look so cute. I feel so cute, like a little swoop. I'm loving it. This wig from InColorWig is amazing. I would definitely recommend it. It is their 24-inch Jerry Curly Ginger wig in 13x4 frontal, and like, this wig just speaks for itself. It's gorgeous. I didn't have to do a lot of work. Oh my god, I can't believe I've been wetting my hair down this whole time. I could have been using this mousse. This mousse and this hair are so compatible, like no other, and I'm so here for it. If you'd like to purchase this wig, the links will be in the description box for you to do so, so definitely do not forget to go ahead and check it out. Also, I did post a TikTok. I'll leave my TikTok name somewhere on the screen while talking about this. I'm definitely gonna post an Instagram picture in this wig because I'm feeling it. I feel so cute. Like, if I knew this ginger was given like this, I would have just dyed my whole head ginger. This color is so stunning. I'm in love with it, and I'm in love with this unit. So again, if you'd like to purchase, the links will be in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you lovely ladies in my next one.